Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to conditionally render image element in FlexCard based on custom JSON data. So image element in the FlexCard designer can be like a URL, can be a locally uploaded file or a static resource. So we'll be going to see this use case, like how to conditionally render the image element in the FlexCard, and we are going to use the data source as custom JSON. So let me just create a new FlexCard, and this FlexCard, this means FlexCard could be like child FlexCard, and we'll be referencing this child FlexCard in the parent FlexCard, and we are going to render this child FlexCard conditionally based on the data available in the custom JSON, right? So let me just create these two child FlexCard first. So, and we are going to show like the flag image of two countries, one India and one another is US. So let me just create two child FlexCard for them. So child FlexCard, let me just provide the name like child flex image India, and the theme is lightning, which is good, and we just need to select this save as a child. So while we are selecting this save as a child, so that this child FlexCard can be we can embed this FlexCard as a child into another FlexCard, right? So let me just click on save. And in the active state element, we can just from the display, so from the display elements we can see this image element is there. We can just simply drag and drop this image, and in the image we can see this image source, right? So if I just click on this magnifying icon, we can just provide the like URL of the image, or we can just from the content document, from the files, we can just like select a specific image, or we can upload the image as well. So let me just upload the image, and we'll be selecting like this India image, and we are just going to click on done. And once it's gets uploaded, so one content version URL will be generated. We can just click on save, and we can just specify the sizes as well. So let me just make it like fit content, that which is good enough. And let me just activate the version, right? And we are going to create another FlexCard with same configurations for the USA. So before that, let me just copy this FlexCard name. We can just clone this FlexCard for to creating the new FlexCard. So instead of India, we can just provide this USA, and the title this one, and this should also be the child FlexCard. I'll be just going to click on save. And in the flag image, we are going to use this USA flag. We can just click on done and click on save. So now we are just good to go, and let me just click on activate for this child FlexCard as well. So now we are going to create the parent FlexCard from which these two child FlexCard can be referred, right? So let me just click on new, and let me just provide the name as like parent flex for image India USA. And this should not be the child FlexCard, since we will be referring those two previously created child FlexCard from this parent FlexCard. So let me just click on save. So now first of all, in the on clicking on this setup in the data source, we can see that currently no data source is selected. So the use case will be like we are going to pass a country name. So based on that, we are going to render the FlexCards, right? So let me just choose the custom, And in the custom JSON, we can just provide a very simple JSON, which could be like country name. We are going to pass country, and the first one would be like India. And after providing this data source, we just need to click on save and fetch, unless this data will not be saved. And we can see that this toast message like data source updated successfully, and we could see the JSON data in that is showing perfectly fine, and we can just click on OK. So now how to refer these two previously created child FlexCard into this parent FlexCard? We can simply use this FlexCard element. So in the display section, we can find this FlexCard element. So if I just read out the help text like this embed a reusable FlexCard as a child in another FlexCard. So we'll be just drag and drop this FlexCard element. So in the FlexCard element, I'll just provide the name for like FlexCard India, and in the FlexCard name I'll just going to search for India. So this is the one, India for India child FlexCard. And let me just clone this FlexCard element, or we can just drag and drop a new FlexCard element as well. So now in here we are going to provide the FlexCard element name like USA, and in here we just need to search for USA. And so this is how we can just refer the child FlexCards into our parent FlexCard, right? So if I just click on preview, we can find these two country flags are showing, right? So let me just go back to the design. And now what we need to do, we need to render based on the data available in the custom JSON. We are going to display those countries flag. So since I have already added this custom JSON, and so that we can find in the fields this country, right? So if I just drag and drop this one, we can find this country value is showing, right? So now based on this country field value, we are going to conditionally render this and these two child FlexCard, right? So if I just click on this first FlexCard element, we can see these conditions. So if I just click on this add new, on clicking on add condition, we can find this data field is available. So this data field is coming from the custom JSON, right? So in the country, I'll be going to choose this country data field, and the operator will be like equal or contains. As usual, we can just choose like contains or equal, we can choose. And let me just choose this equal operator, and in here in the value would be India, right? And if I just click on so we can see this this eye icon, and it's showing that some conditions, visibility conditions is added, right? So this is was for like for rendering the fast FlexCard. Let me do it for the same for this USA flag as well. And let me just click on add condition, and in the data field I'll be going to choose this country field and equals to USA. And let me just click on save, and we can see this eye icon as well. So now if I just click on this preview, so we can see this country name is India, and in this like only we are seeing this India flag, right? And in the data source action debugger, we can find like this data source, we would find like status success, and we should find the values as well, response this country. So this is how we can just render the child FlexCard based on the custom JSON data field value. And if I just update the custom JSON data source, like let me just update the custom JSON country name to USA, and if I just click on save and fetch, we always need to click on save and fetch after updating the data JSON. And if I just click on preview, we can see this country is showing as USA, and only the USA flag is showing, right? So this is how we can just simply refer child FlexCards in the parent FlexCard. And we can render those FlexCard element based on the custom JSON data. So this is a very simple use case. So I'll be uploading more tutorials on Salesforce, OmniStudio and Data Cloud as well as Agentforce topic. And if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.